In today's video, we'll be discussing how you can create special effects for your videos with the help of AI. First, let's understand what special effects or SFX are. Please watch these two videos. The first one is without special effects, and the second one has special effects added. Now let's move on to the main part of the video. Open the website linked in the description. Once you're there, click on Sound Effects. Here, you can explore and download many existing sound effects. If you're looking for something new, you can create your own sound effects by typing in a prompt. The AI will then generate 4 different sound effects for you. Simply download the effect you like. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and consider subscribing to the channel. I look forward to seeing you again on YouTube.